programming video with Ayan. So today is the day 2 of Scratch summer camp, and today we're gonna update things of the code of the teacher. We are gonna add grades. We are gonna change the broadcasting thing. We're gonna add broadcasts, and then we're gonna change some codes so that the game can be better. There are two objectives for this week one that I forgot to tell you in my last video, day one, that we will focus on updating quiz game, and the second we will learn two new code blocks every day. So after when we are done with the code, I will like teach you two code blocks, what are they used for, and what I will make a separate Scratch like project, for example. And this is the quiz game. I will make a separate blank page, and I will like make code to teach you the block and its function. So let's start. And before starting, let me just change some things. So I want to change the broadcasting thing for like let's go to the button, and when this sprite will be clicked, then the button will be clicked as well. With where the broadcast, I just want to broadcast message 1, and when we go to teacher, when I receive message 1, then it will start the game. So here we started everything, and I'm playing, and now it started thing, and now it started. This is much better. So let me just switch this to here. Now what I want to do is, now I want to add grades to the code. Now before switching the backdrop to title page, and we were gonna add grades. So now in the forever, there is forever if the like score is equals to score will visible when score is equal to visible when the score will be visible when it's like the doom with the books backdrop, when score is equal to 1 or 1 or 1 or score is equal to 2, then it will be fail. Now I will say goodbye later on. If score is equal to, then I want to say your grade is F, that is fail. Now I will duplicate this, and over here a score is equal to 3 only. A score is equal to 3. Let me just take this out. If score is equal to 3, then we will say that your grade is C. Now let's duplicate this. A score is equal to, we will just, what we will do is, if score is equal to 4, then say your grade is B. Your grade is B. And lastly, a score is equal to 5, then we have to say that your grade is A plus. Well done, because this is the highest level. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make a block so that we don't like understand, some people don't understand. So we will like grades. Now define grade is this, and then wait of 5 seconds, and then grades, and then wait 3 seconds, say goodbye, and I want to also change it to 1.5 seconds, and then should backdrop to title page. This is the thing, we added grades to it. This is only how to add grades. Now what I want to do is, I want to change score by either 1 and -1. So uh, because this is gonna be fun. So now A, change score by -1. And I also want to change something as well here. I will add another or block, sorry, or not over here. I will add a or block over here, and I will add this or score is equal to 2. Then we duplicate the score block. Or score not is equal to less than 0, less than 0, then it's going to be fail as well. That's it. So now let's change -1 or 1. Let's change score if it's in, and I want to say incorrect or correct. Yeah, I remember now. Now if answer is equal to, now this just we will add say correct, correct, else say incorrect, the correct answer is plate. Same I'm gonna do for whole of the questions, all questions. You can just see me do, because I'm not gonna talk during this. So I'm also, as you can see, I'm also changing the score by negative, because I wanted for negative marking I wanted to be strict, so that is why. So you can see me do it. So guys, now I'm writing correct. It was actually an internet issue occurred, so I couldn't type anything. Say incorrect. The answer is 32. Now let's just say over here uh, correct. Change score by -1 and incorrect. The answer is 3. Now same over here, I'm gonna just hurriedly do it. Correct. So you care about both. Else change score by -1 and say incorrect. The Answer is press brakes and save both. So now we are done with this everything. Now let's test the game. So now let's test it. First let's test the menu. As you can see, it's working. Exiting menu, play. Now it's starting. The game is starting. Total 3 left, 51. See, it's saying correct. Now it will you buy me to it, but you don't know what am I. A spoon. Let's do spoon. 0. Why 0? Because negative one marking, negative marking as well. 3. Press brakes and saved both. So now it will say grade 3 out of 5, and after that it will say the grade. Your grade is C. Goodbye, and now it will wait 1.5 seconds and switch to title page. So thank you guys. That is for today. Now let's move on to the next segment, that is learning new code blocks. Okay, so guys, welcome to our segment. The second segment, that is learning new code blocks. Learning new code blocks. That is our second objective. So now let's start. Today we will learn about the blocks of because this is a quiz game. So quiz game. So we will like discuss about the quiz games. So we will discuss about the variables and sensing ask block. These are the two blocks we are gonna discuss, and the variable score. So we are gonna discuss about these uh, things, these three things. This show and hide really have idea. So these are the 4 blocks we are gonna discuss about. So as you can see, the first block is ask what is your name. Basically this is gonna be used to ask the user what is your name, and then it's asking what's your name, Ayan, like this, and then that's it. Now if and this is the answer block, so we can set answer like I did Ayan answer. We can set it as set say answer. So now we're gonna let's type Ayan, and now it's gonna say answer. But we can also join blocks. This is also another operator variable that we always use. Say answer is equal to, the function of the join is to join two sentence, my 2-3 words like this. Ayan answer is equal to Ayan, this like this. Now for scoring, for the track of scoring, for score you always use if then block or if then else block, and for this you and for these two, if for if block, for if or if then block, we always use forever block. So for this we always use forever block, and for this we also use forever block. This is the forever block, this is the forever block. The function is that it the function, the game will repeat over and over again. And if you are creating the game with the menu, you are creating a game with the menu, you can use broadcast. When I receive and broadcast, so that when we click play, then it will receive message 1 and the game codes below the receive message will work. So that it cannot repeat forever. This is the disadvantage of forever block, that it will repeat over and over again even if we don't want to. So And now let's just set for score. I was talking about score. So where if score answer, uh, let's duplicate this. If answer is equal to Ayan, then change score by 1, change score by 1. And now if we set score to 0, what does that mean? That every time when the game is starting, the score is set to 0. So now let's start with the code, and I will explain the code to you a bit after a bit. So what's your name? Ayan. Answer is equal to Ayan, and the score is 1. So if I do like Ali, it's gonna be 0. So uh, if answer is Ayan, then it will change score by 1. So what is it's explaining? That whenever the flag is clicked at the start of the game, the score will be 0. Then the sprite will ask the user, what is your name? And if the answer is gonna be let's just say answer is equal to the answer we inputted, and then it will ask if answer is Ayan, then it will change score by 1. That is correct. So these are the blocks that we have learned today. Tomorrow in the day 3 of the summer camp, we will learn more blocks, code blocks. Thank you guys. Allah Hafiz. We need 1000 subscribers. Our goal is 1000 subscribers. And please like, comment and share. Guys, bye bye.